Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset lava phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press the power and volume up button together, and when the lava logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see, as you can see, this is the boot mode. Volume up to select, and volume down is okay. Okay, you can see volume up to select and volume down is okay. So now here use the volume up key to go to recovery mode. You can see recovery, and now press volume down to okay. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data, factory reset, and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All stored data on this device will be deleted. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see on bottom data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after our set might take some time to boot up the device. Guys, this is the method to hard set lava phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.